What up, vlog? Got the pitter today. Gotta go hit some fucking jumps.
Let's see it. Oh.
I got it. Thanks for the help, Bryant. Clean.
Easy. 539 cash. California's getting hit. I remember in the first vlog, me and Dante were complaining about the gas prices, and they were like $4.20. It goes up like 10 cents a day.
That's what I be really speaking. Cause even though this job piss me off, I be sleeping.
Poof.
I don't know.
You're going for a soar.
His small is living poverty. Obviously, I gotta work, suck it up and give a smirk, smile, and even though it hurt, and see my boss a fucking jerk.
Oh, the bum knee has the damage.
That's all she's got right now. How do I do this? Oh.
Location 3. Then we got a moon booter.
That shit is so low I can't afford to call collect. And that's better than Mike Jack with the White Sox. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work long days and we work long nights.
Double up on the 50.
Oh!
Slaving all night, works long days and we works long nights. Slaving all day, slaving all night, works long days and we works long nights. I see them laughing as they passing and harass me colder. Can see my passion keeps on passing me, I'm getting older. That's why I rarely let people at my job know I rap. Cause that just turned to some circus like I'm an acrobat. And my coworkers are nosy and I'm missing hard. Can you do a rap at a job Christmas party? Hell no, you ain't shit offended you and asked me to. Don't get it twisted that I'm working here cause I'm just passing through. But they don't believe me cause I've been here for years working. And so it's seeming it's dreaming the rapping ain't.
Pro Moto 2022. Start training now, bud. Oh, he got it. Oh my god. And you're out of work for disability?
Woo! Down twice.
There's like a ladder up there.
Is there an opening there?
Yeah. This is kind of scary, dude. Dude. Well, if anyone was wondering where it was filmed, looks like it was filmed here. We should go in there though.
Hell no, I ain't going in there.
But that's what the kids on the movie would do.
I can't turn around.
Is it a cliff?
Yeah. What do I do?
Send it. Get a little bit of speed.
Maybe I should go go back a little bit. $50 likes!
Alright, 50 likes and we'll have Dante do a wheelie across the bridge. Get it on the drone. It's a cheater wheelie.
Yeah, I hope you're ready for the comeback. Steve Nash, I'm about to bring the sun back. Forecast looking bright for the comeback. Can't ignore, I promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback. Yeah, yeah, I think it's time for the comeback. I hope you're ready for the, yeah, I see it's time. Press play on the tape, no rewind. No delay, put it all on the line. Only going up, ain't no room for the climb. Meet me at the top, or you won't ever see me. I'm making dreams come true like a genie. I'm making moves soon, you gon' have to keep me. Checkmate crown, you gon' have to bring me. Ain't no other way. Up next, then I'm putting you away. Yeah, maybe another day. Give me the trophy, I'ma put it on display. Hope you ready for the comeback. Steve Nash, I'm about to bring the sun back. Forecast looking bright for the comeback. Can't ignore it, promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback. Yeah, yeah, I think it's time for the comeback. I hope you're ready for the. I'm about to bring the sun back. Forecast looking bright for the comeback. Can't ignore it, promise you can never sun that. I pray for it, get ready for the comeback.